Miles is fucking beached. Miles, how's it feel? You already beached her on the new suspension.
It's alright, you know.
Oh man, Miles!
Snap.
What's going on, boys? We're gonna head over to Miles' house. He just got some new suspension for the Montero, and let's hope he doesn't break it again.
Yo,
I am here.
you're here?
I am outside. That is correct.
I am also outside.
You are also outside. I see.
Okay.
Okay. Huh?
Did you film the phone call?
Yeah. What's poppin', boy?
Just got some fresh suspension over there. Thanks, Bapsa money. Taxpayers paid for my new suspension. It looks like I'm stripping it. I don't know how they get that off, to be honest. I don't think I have the right tools, but I'm just gonna send it like half this trick. This looked a lot easier when I was looking at it, but then you always forget how tight some shit is and you're just worried about stripping stuff. That's where I'm at right now.
Okay, so broken tool number 1.
Well, at least they're in my grandpa's. I wonder what happens when I drop this in here. I'm not the smartest guy, let's be honest. It's alright, it'll come out. It's alright.
Just get flung out when you're driving.
Yeah, it's alright. Later. Honestly, I don't want to forget about it though.
I think you should forget about it.
I think I'm gonna forget about it.
You know it's a Miles Perry job when you got the blowtorch out to do suspension. What did you smash against your ear?
I don't even know, bro. Is it bleeding? Real breaker bar would be a lot smarter than this. Back to breaking my car, everybody. Hi, and thanks for tuning in. This is Breaking the Montero with Miles. Let's start. So today, actually yesterday, I got a sweet package suspension, proudly sponsored by your taxpayers. You know, I could have been working on my suspension, but I have to take this stupid wrench out of my rotor. Some folks live and learn. Not me, ladies and gentlemen. I keep on living. Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck. You'll see what I'm gonna do. By the way, your rotors are supposed to be that dirty. Oh, yeah.
Jesus Christ. Miles, I took you to the fucking tire store to get these put on. What the hell have you been doing?
Doing what real men do and actually off-road. I ain't no mall crawler, dude. I don't think this is gonna work, but we'll try it. Alright, let's see if I break this again. Yeah, I broke it again. Fuck. Fudge.
You just broke another wrench?
Come on!
Miles, you've got a fucking problem.
Just started, bro. Just getting my dreams crushed.
Just think, you have to do this 3 more times.
Well, the rear, that's gonna be hard actually. Putting the coils in, that's gonna suck. Just like, dude, I'll do some coke right now. Wow! I was gonna say if I hold it on the threads, but I won't be able to get the nut off.
Oh my god, that smells fucking terrible.
What are you talking about? It's good for us. I'm out of ideas already, and I just started. Sponsor me, Coca-Cola.
A can of WD-40, a blowtorch, 2 broken wrenches, and here we are. We got the the front passenger side shock loose. Oh. Only 3 more to go, dude.
Watch out, Nate. That's cancer, all right. No, guys, this isn't your prostate checkup. It's me putting parts in my car so I can break it later. Gotta get your bubbles out. Ooh, I feel ripped.
Already ripped the glove?
Oh, yeah. So, I figured out a way easier way to pull out the shock. We're not gonna talk about it. Of course. This is NASCAR with Miles Perry. fuck. I did way better the first time when you weren't here.
I never even knew these things existed. Dude, releases pressure when you open the door here, look, open, and then watch when I close it.
Crazy, right?
They just pop open. That's fucking insane.
Well, I think we've learned a thing or two from the first rim, or whatever the fuck this is. I don't know, I'm tired. Let's go back to breaking my car. Snap. This car is like when a female wears makeup. From afar it looks okay. You get close to it, you notice I just spray paint over the rust to make it look nice. There's dents, my bumper's crooked. Yeah, you know, that's how I like my women though. So that's why I love this car.
Just gonna slide it on in there.
Some good old lube.
Get it right on in.
I put so much grease in here, watch this. Oh, fucking snap. Gotta be quicker than that. Oh, what? Fuck. Fucking whore. Fuck. Can nothing ever be easy? Woo! It's a workout. Yeah, dude, so on my camping trip, did a water crossing, and I don't know what I bottomed out on, but I feel like this might have something to do with it. Yeah, those are fresh. That's definitely from, oh, fuck. Thanks, Ron. He's the mail guy. Oh my god, I actually can't hear, my ears are ringing. Ow. Oh, I'm gonna go get a mallet.
I'm hungry, bitch.
What the fuck is that?
Miles, I got one question for you. What the fuck is that thing?
A sweet potato. Shit's gross, dude. I swear to God, I'll make Sandy eat it. Not bad. My dog gets to live another day. Oh, I'll go. Fresh. Oh my god. Look at the dirt I have in there, bro. Oh my god. Jesus Christ.
That's pretty bad. And you just rolled it all across the carpet.
Damn, son. There's no seal in this, that's why. I don't know if there's supposed to be one or not. Now, there's very important markings I'm not supposed to spray paint over. But I like to send it, so I'm gonna spray paint over it.
Alright, so Miles is trying to untorque this fucking shit, and it's really fucking loud. We're doing the torsions right now. And
What? Huh?
Huh?
I can't hear.
What?
I prefer my apples with grease on them.
Did you just eat the core?
Yeah? She's nice and greased up.
You just dropped dirt in your eye?
Yeah, I mean, safety glasses would be nice, but Mama didn't raise no bitch.
Wow, Miles, and think about it. We're only done with the front end. You know they say you should never torque your wheels on.
What?
Moment of truth. Was the lift worth it? Oh, yeah. That's way lifted. There we go.
It's a lot taller now.
Front end's done.
Oh, fuck.
5 hours later.
Oh my, why did it take that long?
Yeah, 4x4, bro.
Here, baby.
All right, day 2. Time to go see what dumb stuff we're gonna do to finish up the rear on the Montero. I just showed up here. What the hell's Miles? Miles!
What up, dog?
What up, doggy? The ratchet straps didn't work, Miles?
No. Oh. So, maybe I didn't think this one super clear, but...
You excited, Miles?
Yeah, I'm excited. I mean, it's just, it's a very slow process. So, I'm just gonna drink my pain away like I do with most things. It's good, just set it down.
Yeah, just set it. You're tightening. Boom.
Hell yeah, brother.
All right, let's do the fucking
Show them the
other
goods. Show them what took us 2 hours to do. Oh, lime green with a burgundy car. I'm gonna stick out like a sore thumb or a pope in a fucking preschool. Let's go, baby.
You see, the first mistake you made, Miles, was letting Matt work on your car.
The second one was giving me beer and letting me work on your car.
Yeah, good course of action. Just jack it by the foreling.
Like how I got it right on the corner too. Check that out. Zoom in on that bitch.
Damn, Arlen. I like your belt buckle.
Yee! Oh, it's a good day to be American.
We got 2 inches on that bad boy.
Dude, we got an extra 2 inches.
Yeah, 2 inches is a lot. If I had an extra 2 inches, I'd be average.
Dude, if I had an extra 2 inches, I'd be at 2 inches. I don't know what the fuck y'all are talking about.
Get this bolted and we're done. Let's try jacking up from.
Yo!
It's a perfect spot for my head. It's on both sides.
Wait, what? Oh,
That could have been good.
your head just went up to the bumper?
It went right in here. I just missed it. My head touched this.
So, currently we've got Matt and Arlen smashing shit on my car.
Oh man, look at that. Yeah, you're doing great, Matt. You're doing great.
Wait.
Yeah, you're doing great. Look at that. It's all synced up. Yup, you're doing great.
Fuck you, Nathan.
Look at these fucking guys trying to work on a car.
I just love how it's a group effort to break my car.
What we do, Jake?
We did it as a team.
Huh, you're funny.
You guys want to watch me draw a whale?
See, Miles has class when he does it. Alright, Miles, what was supposed to be a 2-hour job turned into a 10-hour one.
Well, you know, I'm just trying to prove. I don't know what I'm trying to prove, dude. Okay, we did nothing but waste time and not have the right tools. But we got it done. That's all that matters, everybody. We're what is what?
He's got this. He's got this.
Oh! No, turn to the right. Oh! Turn. Oh! You're in it. You're in it. You're in his bumper. Send it. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, we have everyone looking.
Wow, they just totally blocked the trail with a bunch of rocks.
Yeah, they did.
That's kind of fucked. Miles, how's it feel? You already beached her on the new suspension.
It's alright, you know. I was just trying to challenge myself, okay?
Now we gotta pull your ass out. Alright guys, I'm gonna say peace out here. They're going to get fucking toe straps and Miles is fucking beached on this fucking set of rocks here. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video and peace out. Woo, we're saved. Woo! Oh man, Miles!
Snap.
Man, look at who saved the day.
Yeah, as always, dude.